no good. I am so surprised I even made it home. Arcing out my exhaust. Fucking cold. Alright, so we're headed up. It is snowing like crazy, and I got Zoe with me, and I'd like to see if I ever did get turned around in snow, if I could survive with what I always carry with me in my backpack. I'd like to keep my fresh up on my skills when I can, and see what happens. So we're headed out. I got the sled with me, just like we're going sledding, doing some bigfooting, maybe hiking around, and scenario time. We get lost. It's getting dark. You know, we got turned around. The snow's falling like crazy, and I gotta survive with Zoe. Is that right? So the snow just kept getting deeper and deeper, and we're gonna get a lot more tonight. And you know, we get another foot or two of snow, might not make it out of here. So I've decided to go back for now, and we will continue this on another day. Sure is a beautiful drive though, and Zoe's happy because she got to get out. So maybe I'll build a little igloo at home or something. We'll see. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Get the ball. Go get the ball. Where's it at? Where's it at? She'll find it too. Ah!
I told you.
Good job. Yeah, she's sharp. All right, bring it back. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go get warm.
Oh, Zoe.
Come on.
Well, come on, Zoe. Bring it around.
Let's go. So we starting the barbecue.
Look at how deep that shit is.
We got some fireworks gonna go off right here tonight. Wishing everybody a safe and happy New Year's.
You funny, Zoe. Come on, let's go over here.
Look at that. Woke up today, Clean all this snow. Fix my Jeep. And got shit done.
Oh man.
Woke up, got ready, started my Jeep to go to work today. And blew the oil all over the ground. I don't got time to look at it right now. I just gotta get to work and deal with it. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Blowing it out of the oil filter. I'm just trying to make it to the highway, and I gotta stop because you can't even see the road. It's white out and this guy's off the road. Looks like they're towing him out. Just wicked crazy. Well, I'm in the f***ing ditch. Dude just drove by me and I had to move over and couldn't. There's about a 4-foot drop here, so I'm gonna need a winch. That's what it's doing, the last 3 oil filters. So I don't know why I bought a Mopar today, because these things are a little sensitive. Alright, so go ahead and fire it up and keep your fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. Just watch for it to make sure it don't blow. Let me know.
I'll holler at you. I see that shit spurting out.
So far so good. Check engine light. Hopefully they say it'll go off after 3 successful trips, but it sounds good. It's running good, thank God. I might have found the problem and fixed it. It looks like I was really scared that I blew the motor, that the motor blew, because what had happened last time, it was just making a lot of knocking, loud banging noises, and died, and just crazy. So there you have it, Mopar oil filter. I think he said OEM, but you got to get the right filter for these. You can't use a cheap one because the Mopars have these things are real sensitive, kind of like the Hyundais, and it's got the Mopar's got like an oil pressure regulator built in for it that helps with that. And nobody knew anything about it. None of the master mechanics, anything. I really had to do some digging and searching and kind of going on a wing and a prayer. So it's either this or pull my whole timing cover off, and I did not want to tear into it right now. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and we're going for a test drive.